You mentioned a statistic, something like if you serve healthy food in a prison, it was 50-something%.
Well,
it was,
they basically were looking at, you talked about the SMILE study about the effect of food on depression, and we know mental illness is really driven by a lot of nutritional deficiencies. In violence and behavior change, we don't really think about it that way. But in prisons, they've done randomized trials where they put half the group on a healthy diet, half the group on the same prison diet, who are violent criminals, violent in prison. And they reduced violent crime by 56%. And if they added a multivitamin, they reduced it by 80%. And I remember once coming into my office at work, and there was a handwritten letter that was from a prisoner in prison who said, Dr. Hyman, I read your book in prison. I changed my diet, and I don't know how he did it in prison. He said, I realized my whole life as a violent criminal was because of what I was eating. I feel like a completely different person. So
that is powerful, isn't it? That is so incredibly powerful.